Hey everyone, today is pizza day and I just thought that I'd show you the best and simplest way to make a pizza dough. It only needs 2 ingredients, but it's going to give you the best pizza crust, the best pizza. But before we start, please hit the like button for this video and subscribe below so that you do not miss any of my videos that I upload. I upload videos on lifestyle, fashion, parenting, and of course, cooking. So without further ado, let's get started. You're going to need warm water, a teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of active or instant yeast, then stir. Cover and leave for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, it has started forming bubbles. Add a little bit of oil. Then the dry ingredients, including flour, and salt. You can add herbs such as thyme, rosemary, but I'm not going to be adding anything. Like I said, it's the simplest pizza dough. So we are not going to add too many things. Transfer it on a working surface and add a lot of flour. Then knead until it becomes stretchy. You want to knead until it no longer sticks on the surface. As you can see, it's not sticking to the surface the same way it was sticking in the beginning. Even though now I am not adding any flour, it's still not sticking. So it's almost ready. And it's actually been about 10 minutes. So it's just about ready. But just to be sure, we are going to do the, should I call it finger test? Put a finger in. Not ready. I have been kneading for about 15 minutes and I think it's ready because it no longer sticks to the hands and it also does not stick to the surface. So we are going to do the finger test where you press your finger on the dough and if it rises, then it's ready. Let's do that. There, it's back up. press. So the pizza dough is ready. It's going to make a really good pizza crust, because especially because I needed for a long time, so it has enough gluten. It's going to make the best pizza. So thank you for watching, and please like the video and do not forget to subscribe.